So just a quick video on how to open the cover of a Windsor brand Radius series walk behind floor sweeper. And this particular one is a RWB30. And you will need the key, which is normally up top for turning the unit on. And there's a little thing here in the front that's kind of confusing if you don't know how to do it. So you put the key in and you think, you just spin it till it unlocks or whatever. But that's not how it actually works. What you do is you spin it till you feel some resistance, and then you pull on it, and that'll release the little latch that holds it shut. So it latches to this piece here, which also can be adjusted if you're having issues with it not latching properly or latching too well. And basically what that key does is it pulls this little plunger out that clicks onto that latch there. And once you open this up, that will give you access to your power cord for charging, along with batteries and any other maintenance you need to do. And then once you're done under there, to close it, you just drop it down and it'll latch back into place. And then just be sure to put the key somewhere where it's not going to get lost. I like to put it in there in the off position. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.